Welcome. This is how to clean my clear phone case that turned yellow. So, of course, first one is take the case off your phone to avoid water or cleaner damage. Now, you could just simply make a cleaning solution by mixing warm water with a few drops of dish soap. And for deeper stains, you could add a bit of baking soda or white vinegar. Now, you can just simply scrub the case by using a soft toothbrush to scrub all the surfaces, especially corners and edges, and focus on the yellowed spots with gentle circular motions. Now, after that, just simply rinse thoroughly with clean water, pat dry with a soft cloth, and let it air dry completely before putting it back on your phone. And guys, for stubborn yellowing, make a paste of baking soda and water, scrub, then rinse. And take note, severe yellowing may be permanent as UV light and oils can cause the plastic to discolor over time. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.